welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about double cleansing. I will talk about the first cleansers that I'm currently using and loving. And yes, now without wasting time, let's get started. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start. Starting off with the most inexpensive one, I have this Garnier Micellar water, and this one is the oil infused cleansing water for all skin types. Now talking about this one, this is very affordable. This retails for I guess 20 to 25 rupees, but this is always on discount on Nykaa, Myntra and Purple as well, I guess. And this is quite a decent first cleanser. I mean, this removes the sunscreen or makeup pretty well, and this also has oil, so if you have like a waterproof kind of makeup and all that, it will also remove that. However, it does contain fragrance if you are someone who does not like fragrance in the routine, but this works really well on the skin. It did not break me out or did not give me any purging or anything, and it's quite gentle on the skin, so I don't mind using this. In fact, I've been enjoying this a lot, and this is quite nice. It doesn't dry out the skin after washing, and this is gentle as a first cleanser, and then you can use your second cleanser, which is also very gentle, and it is quite decent. So if you are a teenager or on a very tight budget, and if you're looking for a good first cleanser which is good for heavy makeup, I think this is really good, because this definitely removes heavy makeup and all that. So I do recommend this if you're looking for that kind of cleanser. The texture is very watery, so this will be suitable for maximum skin type, so you don't have to worry about it. But yes, if you are allergic with fragrance, then I do not recommend this. The second cleanser that we have is the Garnier Micellar water again, and this one is the micellar cleansing water for sensitive skin. Now this is cult favorite, like I think everybody has used it, and everyone loves this like first cleanser. This is so gentle, this is fragrance free, and the ingredients are good, and this is very good. Like, this is very pH balancing and does the job. This is not really good for heavy makeup or waterproof makeup like your mascaras and all that. However, this decently removes the sunscreen and lightweight makeup, so this is quite gentle for a daily use. So if you're looking for a daily use first cleanser, this is good. This does not have like alcohol, fragrance and anything, so this is good for sensitive skin as well. And if you're someone who is very prone to acne, and if you feel like anything is heavy or greasy for your skin, then this is so good. Oily skin can also use this. In fact, I think this will really go really good with oily skin, because the texture is watery, so it will not make your skin feel heavy or anything, and I do really like this. I'm going to stock this because this is like my most favorite of all of these. So yeah, I do recommend this if you're looking for a very budget friendly daily like first removal, then this is good. And this retails for 349 rupees, but I got this from Myntra 100 or something. So get it from Myntra, it's always on discount and a heavy discount. So yeah, I do recommend this if you're looking for a gentle daily kind of first cleanser, then this is for you. Okay, and the next thing that I have is a cleansing balm, and this is from a brand called In Rituals, and this is their Nourish It Clean Blueberry Lavender and Cleansing Balm, and this retails for I guess 600 rupees, but this is also always on discount on Amazon. So talking about the texture, it has a very balmy texture, and it removes the makeup or dirt or sunscreen pretty well. Like, it even removes a really hard waterproof mascara. So I've been using that Maybelline ka new mascara, which is a waterproof mascara, and it doesn't really go out from your eyes. So even if you like wash your face 10 times, it won't go. But this is so good, it just melts all the mascara from your eyelashes. Also, this does not irritate the eyes, which is amazing. So I have been enjoying this like anything. So I'm using this currently like daily in the night time, and this is really good. Has a very like aftershave lotion kind of fragrance, but the fragrance is like not very overpowering. It doesn't hit your head. Also, it just lingers around for like of 10 seconds, 15 seconds, then you won't even feel the fragrance. And I love the texture, I love how it works on my skin. it did not break me out. However, if you are from oily skin or very prone to acne, I don't recommend this. This definitely has lavender essential oil and also fragrance. So if you are allergic to fragrance, then no, I don't recommend this. If you are okay with fragrance and a cleansing balm, then this is a really good to try it out. And also, let's support Indian brands. I mean, this is not sponsored, by the way. This is just my personal opinion, and I genuinely like this product, and I do recommend this, but not to someone who is prone to acne. And if you have very sensitive skin, like anything can, you know, irritate your skin, and then I don't recommend this. Otherwise, if you like okay with cleansing balms with a mild fragrance, then this is really good, and I highly recommend you guys to check this out. The next product that I have is this cleansing milk from a brand called Samisha Organic. So this was sent to me by the company, like NPR, to try it out and, you know, review it, and I did use it for like 5-6 times. This is good. The texture is really good, you know. The texture is really good, you know. It is like a moisturizer, I would say. So if you used like the Moschino cream, this has a really similar texture to that. However, the fragrance in this is quite high on the side. I'm mostly okay with fragrance. I mean, if it doesn't irritate my skin, I don't mind it. However, the fragrance in this is so overpowering that it, you know, hits my head. So if they can remove the fragrance, I mean, this is such a gorgeous product. Also, this is very affordable. It retails for 499 rupees, and this does not dry out my skin. It does not make my skin like greasy or oily. Moves the sunscreen and makeup pretty well. However, this is not very suitable for heavy makeup like waterproof makeup, but if you do like a basic makeup, or, you know, you use sunscreen, then this is really good. But I really wish they can, you know, just remove the fragrance from this, because it's quite high. Even though the fragrance is the last ingredient, it's quite high on the fragrance, which I am not sure about. But otherwise, this has some amazing ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera extract, green tea extract, almond extract, and cocoa butter, you know. And this also has olive oil. I mean, obviously this helps to remove. This also has beeswax, which is kind of, you know, good to melt away all the makeup and all that. So I love the texture, I love everything about this apart from the fragrance. You know, the fragrance, this can be a really great cleansing milk, and if you like a cleansing milk, then yeah, this can be really good. But please keep the fragrance in mind, and I would say on the scale of 1 to 10, the fragrance is like 8, quite high on the fragrance side. So yeah, please keep that in mind. But this worked really fine. It did not break me out or anything. So yeah, yes, these are all the products that I have been using for my first cleanser. I'm going to try a few things from different brands. So let me know if you have any recommendation for cleansing balms in the comments below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this and found this to be helpful. And let me know if you have any queries or questions in the comments. And I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care of yourself, and bye.